Hi students, welcome to the ZAK English Crash Course, ZECC 101. This is 1 minute English with ZAK English Crash Course. Today our topic is about the tongue twister with ZAK English Crash Course 1 minute English. Okay, we'll discuss about the tongue twisters which mostly used by the students. For example, the tongue twister number 1 is she sells seashells by the seashore. Let's repeat it. She sells seashells by the seashore. Repeat it again. She sells seashells by the seashore. Tongue twister number 2 is some of your advices are advisable. Tongue twister 2 is some of your advices are advisable. Let's repeat it again. Some of your advised advices are advisable. Of your advised advices are advisable. Some of your advised advices are advisable. Add thrice. Tongue twister number 3 is I wish your fish in my dish. I wish your fish in my dish. That's my favorite tongue twister. I wish your fish in my dish. This is 1 minute English with ZAK English Crash Course. Take care.